Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the default fonts on your Windows 11 computer. To do this, first open the Settings app. Here, click on this Personalization tab on your left. Then, in the right pane, scroll down to click on Fonts. In this menu, you will see all kinds of fonts displayed. Additionally, you can also click on this Get More Fonts on Microsoft Store option to download new ones. However, you won't find any option to apply these fonts directly on your Windows 11 PC. To do this, first find the fonts you want to use across system and then note down its name. For this example, let's say you want to apply this Arial font. Now, open a new notepad window on your PC. Here, type this code. I've written it in the description so you can copy it from there. After inputting the code, replace this font name text with the actual name of the font you noted earlier. Since we want to apply Arial font, we'll type in Arial here. Now, click the File menu at the top and select Save As. Here, select your preferred location for saving the file and name the file as font.reg. Then, click this Save button. Next, find the font file you created and double-click it. Now, you'll see this dialog box. Select Yes to continue. After running the file, simply restart your PC and the default font will be changed. If you want to go back to the previous fonts, simply create another notepad file and type this command. Then, save it as a .reg file and then run it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.